Roderick Roberson will compete at regionals again.
It means a whole lot, man. I took last year and I learned from it, and I'm working toward my goal right now. I got second place right now, but I'm looking forward to get this first place trophy.
He gave us a wave before starting his run. Let's watch some of these highlights. Roberson is the CDL instructor for GDOT's East Central region. You can see why as you watch him operate this tractor trailer with a lowboy attached. Look at how close he backs this trailer up without hitting the barrier. I mean, you can't get much closer than that.
You have your days with driving. It's just like cooking. Some days you're on point, some days you're not.
But today he was, as he finished his second in his category at Georgia's Equipment Operators Rodeo. That's good enough to qualify for regionals in Kentucky this fall.
It was a great run. It's always competition against you, but I feel good and I feel confident that I was on point.
Also from District 2, Jason Bullington finishes second in single axle, which means he has qualified for regionals for the first time.
It means the world to me. Just to represent District 2 and just coming out here and working with the GDOT this late in life and being able to compete. I'm a competitor, so I'm looking forward to it.
Bullington and Roberson will continue sharpening their skills this summer before they represent Georgia at the regional rodeo this fall. We congratulate them and everyone from District 2 who competed in this year's state rodeo. In Perry, I'm Will Volk for GDOT Communications.